Welcome to this video. In this video you will learn how to free a lot of time. For example, when you do onboarding, so you have employees, new employees who need to know the processes in your company, then it's crucial that you don't want to repeat yourself over and over again. Because if you do this, then the new employees know that they can come to you and ask you all the time, which is not bad, but they will consume your time. And if you do the recording of the onboarding processes or of all the things the new employees need to know, then they can watch this tutorial video, watch it over and over again, watch it in their own pace, and so they don't need you so often. Yes, they certainly will come and ask you, but they won't come over and over again, and so it's no problem for you at all, and you can concentrate your experience on projects that really matters, big projects that need your attention 100%. So go now over to www.martindörsch.com and check out the courses to help you free a lot of time.